A brand new trading week is about to kick off right here in the United States, and last week, U.S. stocks getting off to a bit of a slow start. Several sessions of losses amid Fed rate hike concerns, but for the most part, investors already looking forward to the week ahead, which is coming up right now. There's a lot to take in this week. We have central bank rate decisions galore and inflation numbers on the docket, and investors expect a wild week of action, especially with the holiday season swiftly approaching. The question now is, will we see a market rebound, or will the bears be back in full force? Let's now take a look at what will likely move the markets in the week ahead here on Wall Street. Now, we first kick off on Monday. In the United Kingdom, with October British industrial production figures, expectations call for a rate of negative 0.3%. Meanwhile, in the United States, we have the release of both 3-month and 6-month bill auctions. Tuesday sees us back in the UK with the October ILO unemployment rate, a rate that's expected to remain unchanged at 3.6%. In Germany, harmonized consumer prices are due for November. Expectations call for a rate of 11.3%, while here in the U.S., November consumer prices are due. Expectations call for a rate of 0.6% month over month, 6.4% year over year. Wednesday, all about the U.S. Federal Reserve and the Fed rate decision, a rate that's expected to rise by 50 basis points from 4% to 4.5%. That will then be followed by the FOMC press conference. Thursday, a busy session begins in Switzerland with the Swiss SNB interest rate due, a rate that currently sits at 0.5%. Meanwhile, it's another session of rate decisions. In the United Kingdom, the Bank of England rate decision also due, a rate that currently sits at 3%, while the ECB's monetary policy decision also due out, a rate that currently sits at 1.5%. And on Friday, we see global composite PMI reads out of the combination of France, Germany, the United Kingdom, the EU, as well as the U.S. And also keep an eye on geopolitics, as those headlines have been moving the markets a lot as of late. And until next week, broadcasting live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney reporting for ICF.